Welcome to Cooking with Jahz. Now, I bet you're wondering, well, you're probably not because you read the title. What is she making?
Okay.
What is she making this morning? It is currently 11:22, and I'm in the mood for some. This is wet. I'm in the mood for some French toast. Now, I bet you're like, why she got cereal out? What is that? 'Cause it's not milk. It's half and half.
Read the title.
So this is called the best French toast you'll ever have.
That's already in the title.
I'm restating it. Goodness gracious. Okay. So here's the thing. A lot of people like some crunch to their toast. So this is what I'm thinking. I take some of this off-brand Cheerios, but they're not really Cheerios, but they're like that type of honey cereal. Put them in a baggy bag. Smash it up.
Okay.
Pour it into this bowl, and then here will be my mixture with eggs, and instead of milk we're using half and half because it has a great taste to it. And we're gonna add a dash of cinnamon, which has gone missing, and we're gonna put it on this skillet. It's a skillet, right?
Yes.
Or is it
It's a skillet.
We're gonna put it on this skillet. So yeah, let's get started. So first off, we're gonna take this sandwich bag. We're gonna pour some cereal into it. So now we're gonna take this rolling pin and we're just gonna go crazy.
Oh, okay.
Okay, if you're ever upset, just smash something. You see how fun? It's not.
Oh. There you go.
If anyone is wondering, this is the breading, by the way. This is the breading of the bread. Carbs.
Yay, we love carbs.
That was a lot. So we're pretty much done here. Cute. Okay, now that we have that, I'm just gonna smash it up a little bit more. Then, wow. So now we're just gonna set that aside. Jalen, what are you doing? Oh my goodness. So, come hither. Thank you. Okay, so I'm making toast for, I'm making toast for 2, but I don't know, I'm gonna make like 5. I'll make 5. Take an egg. Wow. Take another egg. Wow. Why is this? This is not supposed to be hard. Now I'm gonna take this fork and I'm just gonna whisk.
Yay, 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 yay,
I think I'm gonna add another egg because this might not be enough. Another egg. That was messy. Now, we're gonna take this jar of sugar. Ow. That was my potato skin finger, so that hurt.
Another story, another time.
I'm gonna take about like half a tablespoon because the crumbs are already sweet, so I don't want to overdo it. So now that we've got the eggs all nice and sweet, usually I add milk to the mixture, but today, wow.
Why?
Can you hear? So I'm taking one, that might be a lot actually. I don't care. I'm taking 1/4 cup of half and half and adding it. Oh no, that's a good amount. Ooh.
Nice and creamy.
Now I'm just gonna add a little bit more sugar.
Because she did a taste test on the raw eggs
No,
and she
I
thought
did
it wasn't
not.
sweet enough.
Don't shut up.
Don't
your
taste
dad's class with
Do
no
not
food.
taste test raw eggs, guys.
It's not healthy. Or raw flour. Okay. Ooh, I think we're ready.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna add a little bit. It doesn't smell like cinnamon. I'm just gonna add one more dash. My eye hurts. I added some apple spice, which is like cinnamon along with other stuff that I really can't pinpoint, but it smells good. It reminds me of
Thanksgiving?
Thanksgiving. Oh my gosh, I think it's nutmeg and cinnamon, but no ginger. Why no ginger? Like, what's up with that? So now, I'm gonna
How
clear
much
up-
of it did you add?
I did like that.
So a dash.
A dash. Yeah. So I'm just gonna clean up this area and we're gonna move up to the next step. We're gonna take this piece of we're gonna take this piece of bread and I'm just gonna whisk this a little more because it's just kind of like making a film out the top. So first, I don't want this to fall. So first I'm gonna take this bread and undip it. This feels disgusting, but it's okay. It's all good. Just kind of like get the excess egg off. Then I had too much breadcrumbs, so I have many to spare. Just gonna.
Ooh, yummy.
I could go in for a second coat, but that's overdoing it.
Yeah.
So
How many are you
now-
making again?
Now we're gonna take it over to the pan. I mean skillet, because that's like small. Jalen, listen to the sizzle. ASMR, come here.
ASMR.
We need to do ASMR.
Y'all need to hire us to do ASMR. We'll do it.
I'm gonna just turn this up a little bit higher. It's not burnt. The butter is though, but it's in the pan. Ooh, ready?
Yeah.
Actually, I just flipped it, so there's no point in me flipping it back over.
You hear that sizzle?
Smell it.
Okay.
I have to put it lower so that way the crumbs don't burn. So you see how the door is cracked over there?
The door!
Anyways, so I put some more butter on the stove and it was like smoke, smoke, smoke. I was like, oh, that's normal because it is. But like some of the breadcrumbs that got on there that were lingering, I cleaned it off because I didn't want it. Yeah, I looked at the ceiling, all the lights were covered with smoke. I don't think maybe
It's a fair
I should
warning.
open a door.
Open a door before you cook. That's Elvez.
Ooh, can you smell that? Now Jalen's gonna Jalen's gonna taste one. Do we have
Yay!
syrup?
Yeah!
Cool. Jalen's testing now.
Is it whiskey or is it syrup?
Shut up.
I need my fork. I thought you were just looking
afraid.
down.
Did that in the syrup.
It's
really good.
It is?
Yeah.
Is it just like French toast? Oh, it's not the best you've ever had.
No, mommy's is. I'm just kidding.
When's the last time she made French toast?
I don't know. This is really
Yeah.
good. This is the best French toast I've ever had. And you guys should try it with Texas toast. Ooh, if you guys had
Ooh.
Texas toast, that would be even better. But this is really good. Good job, Jazz. You
I
get
want
an A.
some. Try to make the smoke go away.